Car's racing at 107. See if either of them stop. And it looks like they're slowing down. South Carolina. This guy's got a temp tag on a Charger. Texas maybe.
My number. 940-327-003. 940-327-003. White female. Yes, when that comes back to Lincoln, Freeman, those are 5C valid, no endorsements, corrected lenses restrictions, light traffic, life's going to be back in 2020 for fair show me insurance, doesn't show me any numbers, he's 52. Careful.
H32, so yeah, near the interstate.
Midland 34. Negative on at this time. I've got one nearby though. Brandon 34. Okay.
I just got two racing. I won't be able to get them both.
10-4, I've got a PD unit headed that way. Where you at? It's going eastbound. Yeah.
Or westbound past Altus, going towards Ozark. It's going to be, I'll get him a temp tag, a black Charger with a Texas temp tag on it.
Just update me with mile markers when you can.
Passing 39 right now.
Copy, passing 39. SC 22 County, 998. 10-4-22. If you want to head to the interstate to assist state police, they got two vehicles racing headed down westbound on the interstate. 10-4, coming back up in house city limits.
I got one running. Westbound 37. 115, 120 now. It's gonna be on a silver, looks like a Chrysler. Tags are fictitious, I believe. VGR 511, South Carolina. Take him out of, get out of these curves here. I don't know what's around these curves.
10-4, bring to H32, speed and keep me up on location. Which direction is 206 headed?
Yeah, take the exit, it's sweet. Just take the 35.
Okay. You took the 35?
10-4, he's about to jump back on the interstate.
635, going north or south on 23.
He got back on the interstate. Show a pit.
Okay, here.
That's received. It's your hands! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands! Show me your fucking hands! Let me jump back on the interstate.
Okay, 32, you're 10-1. Give me the last traffic again.
You jump back on the interstate. I was trying to stop two. Looks like PD's chasing the other one. Fuck. Show another pit and roll over.
Midnight 32.
Show another pit and a rollover. 31.
I'm 10-4 at the 31.
34.
Copy 34.
I'm gonna shoot your fucking dog, dude. Show me your fucking hands. Show me your hands. .32 Fort Smith, send me EMS.
County has the
I don't give a fuck. One subject ran into the woods, northbound. You stay right the fuck there.
I'm opening the door.
I didn't tell you to open the door. You stay right the fuck there. One subject ran into the woods, northbound. I have the driver entrapped. You're staying right there until someone arrives.
I'm not ready. I'm being bad though.
Yeah, that's on you.
I know, I'm sorry. I'm just staying right here, I promise. It's hot in there. I'm sorry.
Stay inside.
I'm scared.
I don't care. Stay inside.
Because
I stay the fuck inside.
That's bad for my safety. I'm gonna stand inside, but I'm getting up just a little bit higher.
No, you're just stay right there.
Look, I swear you can
Listen to me, you stay right there. I'm gonna start beating your ass, all right?
I have my hands up.
I don't care what you're doing right now. You stay right there. Everything where you're at right now,
Yeah.
that's all on you, bud. All right?
Oh.
Fortunately, we're gonna have to send recovery as well, or someone to extricate. You might check with PD, see if they're still chasing that Charger. Stay inside, dude.
I forgot you said you're gonna start beating my ass. Well, I'm sorry, it's just hot in here, dude. I'll get right back. Can I stay in front of you?
No, you stay right there. Dude, just stay right there. How hard is that?
It hurt. I just
That sucks.
I know.
That sucks, man.
It's my fault. It's my fault, 100%.
Check with PD, see if they're still chasing the charge.
Yeah, I'm 19.
Cool.
Oh, fuck.
Bro, what don't you understand about staying right there?
No, I am.
Huh? You see this light that you're staring at?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pistol in your face.
Oh, I'm not gonna do nothing, I promise, bro, I promise. It's just, it's a sideways car. It's
Yeah.
hard to stay in.
Yeah. That's on you, bud.
Yeah. Oh.
That's a real shitty friend.
Cool.
The one that just left on you.
That wasn't with me.
Huh?
That wasn't with me. Whew.
So who took off that way then?
Confirm with the county, they do.
Someone took it off? What do you need?
Are they still chasing the Charger?
I'm dragging you.
Confirming.
Brother, stay down.
I'm fat. I can't fit through this window.
Okay, they're telling me that they're advising that they have lost the Charger. They have lost the Charger. They have an exact location where they lost it, said it was going into toward Crawford County. Okay, let the county know.
Hi, dude.
I know.
Get back in the vehicle right now. I'm gonna start beating your ass for real.
Can I get right here?
No, get down lower. Right there. Hey, it's a black Charger. Has Texas temp tags. I think it's B509. I don't remember exactly what it was. I think 509, 596 maybe. Texas temp tags. Black Charger. It was racing the car that I'm out with right now, and I got PD up there to try to help me stop him. This guy took off on me, that guy took off on PD. Bro, stay down.
Please, can I please?
No, you were not staying. Like,
Look,
listen.
you're looking at me though. You're
Listen to me.
See all of me.
Listen to me.
Please.
Stay down, buddy.
Okay, please don't hurt me like that. I understand, but you see my position right now.
I do, and I see how you got here too. Sucks to suck, buddy.
Going too fast.
You got here because you ran, not because you were going too fast. If you would have stopped, you'd gotten a ticket. You'd be on your way right now. But you decided to run and be a dumbass.
Yeah, that's my bad.
Twice.
That's my bad.
You know how many people you put in danger out there? By doing dumb shit, and now you're right here crying?
I'm sorry. It's not crying, it's blood.
I don't really care.
I know.
It's the same thing to me right now.
I understand you. I understand you. Can you please let me out and just search me? You just search me.
Nope, you stay right there.
How's there any difference?
You stay right there.
Oh, shit. Please. That's all I'm asking. Is that not fair?
You don't really get to ask for anything right now, man. You do everything you're told, and that's it. What's up, dude?
What's up?
How bad you busted up, man?
Yeah, I know.
How bad you busted up?
Pretty bad because I'm dumb.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. If we help you, can you come out that window here in a minute? Is your leg pinned?
Yeah, no, I've been asking him to let me out and just search me so I can get out the car.
Is he in pin?
No,
He's not
I'm good.
pinned.
I can get out and stand around. It's
Okay.
my
Well, you just
face.
stay where he's at then. They told us he was.
He was at first. He pushed his head out.
Can I please get out?
No,
And...
hey, he's heard his call, man. You just shut up and stay where he's at, okay?
All right.
Yeah, both his legs are.
Yeah, he's fine.
I'm fine. It's just my face.
He's fine.
I swear. I can tell you, it's just I'm fine.
All right.
What's your?
Get out and come towards me. You go right here. Right between the both of us.
Hey, hold up, John. Straight to your belly.
No, just stand right here. Stand right here. Stand right here. Stand up. All right. This is your left hand. It's your right hand. All right, come here. Get back. Walk this way. I'll bring him up there. I'll bring him up there. You can go that way. You're going left. You're going left.
Yeah, there's a dog in there. We'll have to probably get a reach up in there. Now, he seems friendly. I just can't get him.
Hey, the good news is, buddy, there's no damage to my car.
That is good.